Welcome to the world of heavy-duty machinery, where colossal power merges with cutting-edge technology. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the giants of construction and excavation, each machine a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. First on our list is the Tesmi 1675 EVO. A behemoth in the trenching world, it's powered by an impressive 950 horsepower Cat C27 engine. This machine can dig trenches up to 16 feet deep and 36 inches wide, making it indispensable for major utility and pipeline projects. The 1675 EVO is equipped with a sophisticated conveyor system for the efficient removal of excavated material, and its advanced cabin design offers superior operator comfort. It's also environmentally considerate, designed to minimize ground disturbance. Meet the Vermeer T1255 Commander 3. With its 600 horsepower Cat C18 engine, this machine is efficient. It's capable of cutting trenches up to 21 inches wide and features Vermeer's exclusive terrain leveler surface mining technology, allowing it to tackle a variety of surfaces with precision. The T1255 is a marvel in operator comfort, featuring a climate-controlled cab and an advanced Tech Plus computer control system for efficient operation in diverse conditions. Ditch Witch's RT120 Quad is a unique blend of power and agility. Its quad-track system provides exceptional traction in all conditions. Equipped with a 120 horsepower engine, this machine is versatile and capable of handling trenching, plowing, and backfilling with ease. The Tesmi TRS 1475 Rock Hog is a powerhouse designed for rock excavation. Its 630 horsepower Cat C18 engine and special cutting drum make it a top choice for quarrying and surface mining. What sets it apart is its environmentally friendly approach, notably its effective dust suppression system. This machine can excavate trenches up to 17 feet deep with remarkable precision, significantly reducing the need for primary crushing. The Barber Green TA77 may seem like a classic model, but it's a workhorse in the heavy machinery world. Known for its reliable performance in tough terrains, it features a direct drive power system and a robust conveyor belt. Its enduring design and ease of maintenance have made it a favorite for generations, proving that some designs stand the test of time. Behold the Tesmi 1150 XHD Rock Hog. This colossal machine is equipped with a staggering 1085 horsepower Cat C32 engine. Its capabilities are monumental, able to trench up to 27 inches wide and 16 feet deep. The 1150 XHD is designed with advanced hydraulic systems for unmatched control and precision. Its unique rock wheel technology is a boon in urban environments, significantly reducing noise and vibrations. The Vermeer T1255 Commander 3 is a blend of brute strength and advanced technology. Powered by a 415 horsepower Cat C13 engine, this machine is a go-to for challenging pipeline installations. Its Tech Plus computer control system ensures adaptive performance across varying conditions, and its ability to trench up to 24 inches wide makes it a versatile tool in the trenching arena. The Ditch Witch. At 120 Trencher is a compact yet formidable machine. With a 275 horsepower engine, it's designed for precise and efficient trenching, capable of reaching depths up to 8 feet. Its advanced trenching technology and compact design make it perfect for urban utility work, minimizing disruption and maximizing efficiency. The Tesmi 775 DT Trencher is a testament to versatility and power. Ideal for a variety of environments, it offers efficient trenching for water, gas, and sewer utility installations. With a trenching depth of up to 5 feet, its compact design and user-friendly interface make it a reliable and flexible solution. The Tesmi M5 chain trencher is known for its precision and efficiency in urban settings. It features advanced chain trenching technology, ideal for installing utilities with minimal surface impact. Its compact size and agility make it a favorite for working in confined spaces, while its advanced controls ensure ease of operation. These monumental machines are not just feats of engineering, they are integral to shaping our world's infrastructure. Stay tuned as we unveil more of these magnificent machines that are working at another level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of machinery.